Welcome to the truth about attraction, one you probably haven't heard before. It's not about money, looks, or clever one-liners. It's about something deeper, something most men overlook: self-mastery. You see, we're taught to chase, to impress, and to prove ourselves. But what if I told you that real attraction, the kind that last comes from within, it's about who you are at your core? And in today's video, we're uncovering the ancient, powerful wisdom of Stoic philosophy that makes you magnetic, not by chance, but by design. By the end of this video, you'll see why. This mindset change can transform your relationships, ready to unlock the truth. Let's dive in. Lesson 1. Stop chasing. Start attracting. The first lesson in self-mastery is understanding that attraction is not about chasing. Society may tell you to shower her with gifts or be the life of the party, but the truth, the more you chase, the more you lose yourself. Women are drawn to men who are sure of themselves, not men who are constantly seeking validation. As Epictetus, the Stoic philosopher, once said, freedom is the only worthy goal in life. It is won by disregarding things that lie beyond our control in relationships. This means focusing on yourself, your own growth, and your inner peace rather than external approval. Imagine walking into a room calm, unshaken, not needing to impress anyone. Others notice that grounded energy. What if you could carry that with you, effortlessly attracting people just by being present? Stick around, and I'll show you how Lesson 2 emotional control is. Lesson 2, key in any relationship, you'll be tested emotionally. A woman may pull back or say something to see how you respond. Most guys react instantly, whether it's getting frustrated, defensive, or over-apologizing. But here's where Stoic mastery comes in. When you're calm and steady, it sends a message of strength. Marcus Aurelius once wrote, "You have power over your mind, not outside events. Realize this, and you will find strength if you're not reacting to every word or mood change. You create an environment where she feels safe, seen, and respected." Picture this. While others are fumbling over their words, trying to impress her, you're calm, centered, and simply present. She'll notice and she won't forget it. Want to know how to strengthen this calm confidence? Stay tuned. Lesson 3. Speak. Lesson 3 words that connect most guys. Think attraction is about being witty or funny, but that's superficial. Real connection comes from genuine words. Compliments are an example. Telling her she's beautiful is nice, but she's probably heard it before. What's rare? Complimenting her mind, her character, her values. Seneca, another great Stoic, once said one of the most beautiful qualities of true friendship is to understand and to be understood. When you show her that you're truly listening, she'll feel valued in a way that few others can provide. Imagine you're with someone who looks at you not with a gaze that just admires the surface, but one that truly sees you for who you are. That's the power of meaningful words. Want to know the simplest way to make her feel this way? We're about to reveal it. Lesson 4. Lesson 4, master your body language. Communication isn't just about words. It's also about body language, your posture, your eye contact, your presence. All of these tell her who you are without saying a word. Think about how a man who's calm and confident stands versus someone who's nervous. Your body language should show that you're comfortable with yourself. The soul becomes dyed with the color of its thoughts. Marcus Aurelius once said, "What you feel inside reflects outside." If you're at peace, she'll sense that energy. Imagine entering a room and people noticing you, not because of what you're wearing or saying, but simply because of the way you carry yourself. This effortless confidence speaks volumes. Want to know a simple technique to master it? We're getting to it next. Lesson 5, handle setbacks with grace. Lesson 5, things don't always go as planned. Maybe the date is awkward or she pulls away. Most men panic, scrambling to fix things or winter back. But here's a Stoic secret. Accept what you can't control. Respond with calm and grace, and she'll respect you. More epic, Ted is famously taught, it's not what happens to you, but how you react to it that matters. Staying composed, especially when things aren't perfect, shows her that you're steady, confident, and unshaken by minor setbacks. Think about the last time things didn't go your way. Did you get far frustrated or stay calm? Imagine being the person who, even in the face of challenges, remains unshakable. So remember, want to master this skill. There's more wisdom to come. Lesson 6. Show gratitude for the little things. It's often the smallest gestures that leave the biggest impression. Stoicism teaches us to value what we have, including the people around us. By showing appreciation for the little things she does, you set yourself apart from others who take her for granted. Sika put it beautifully. He is a wise man who does not grieve for the things which he is not, but rejoices for those which he has. When you show that you notice the little things, she'll feel seen and appreciated. Imagine how it would feel if instead of striving to impress her, you were simply present, noticing and valuing her contributions. This simple practice can change the way she sees you. And next we'll dive into another aspect of true attraction lesson 7. Be true to lesson 7 yourself. The final lesson is about authenticity. If you're trying to mold yourself into what you think she wants, you're sacrificing your authenticity. Be genuinely you. Stoicism teaches us to embrace who we are, flaws and all waste. No more time arguing what a good man should be. One Marcus Aurelius wrote. It's about embodying your values, living with integrity, and showing up as yourself. Imagine a life where you're no longer trying to be someone else, where you're unapologetically yourself, and she loves you for it. This is the freedom self-mastery offers, and it's the secret to lasting attraction. Final thoughts. So here's the takeaway. Stop chasing. Stop trying to play games. Become the kind of person you're proud of, someone with calm confidence and self-control. Master these Stoic principles and everything. Your relationships, career, and inner peace will change. Women are naturally drawn to a man who's steady, true, and unshakable. And once you master yourself, you won't need tricks or games to make an impact. You'll naturally attract the kind of connections you're looking for. If you're ready to take these principles further, subscribe now. Together, let's build the kind of life mindset and relationships that lead to real fulfillment. This journey is just beginning.